Okay, so here's what I want to do today. Got the DJI Spark, and I want to fly it, or I'm going to show you that I fly this thing from inside my car, and I'll fly it over my car and around, all from inside the car. So, and of course I use the remote. I don't trust the app to fly my drone. I almost had a disaster happen to me one day. It stopped responding, so I don't use it. So anyways, let's get started. So I'll power my remote first. I don't think it really matters which one you power first. Press once, hold it for the second one. All right. Now this light here is indicating that it cannot find the drone. It's looking for it. It's scanning. So here's my drone. I've already got, should have, memory card is in there. Memory card is in. Check my battery level. Press it once. All my lights are green. So it's ready to go. Well, I'm gonna power it. One, twice, hold it. And I'll put it here in my dashboard. I wanna I'll record the rest of the image. It's gonna be on, coming from the little GoPro Hero 7 Silver. So here it is. But I'm gonna put it outside on the hood of the car to show you that we're gonna fly from the car. Now first, I want to make sure that this is connected. And it is. It's connected. It's green. And also, I'm gonna monitor with this phone, the Note 8. So I'm gonna look for my app. DJI 4. And I'm gonna switch to Spark, and then enter device. Now I'm only going to use my phone to view the camera. So there's enter view, camera view, and then right here we should be seeing what the drone is seeing up there on the hood of the car. Oh, it's disconnected because I don't have my Wi-Fi on. I'm gonna swipe down, turn my Wi-Fi on, and then try this again. I'm gonna kill the app, close all, go search for it again. Now that I have the Wi-Fi on, and see, now it still says that I need a firmware upgrade or update. I'm going to ignore for now, and I'm gonna say go fly. Boom. All right, so now we should be seeing this device password is blah blah blah. Now, before I take off, I want to record in 60 frames per second. So, I'll go to the camera settings here. Nothing here. I don't even know where the setting is for 60 frames per second. Record video cache. I don't see it here, so I'm going to close that. I'm going to go here to settings for the camera. Maybe I can see it there. All right. camera. I don't see it. Okay, no big deal. The only thing now is still saying the firmware update required. I'm gonna press record. I always press record before I forget. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here the camera. I'm gonna lift it. Okay, well, let's get flying. I'm gonna show you here in the other camera how I have my setup. I'll keep it here, and I'll keep this camera up there looking at the drone, and we're gonna hit both of these down. The drone is up, it's ready to go be flying. And we're up. Maybe you can see it there in the camera. I'm gonna bring it over here so y'all can see it. Right in front of the car, so you guys can see it. And so I'm gonna say hi. Right? Alright. I'm gonna go over here and see if my buddy's over here. So there's my buddy. Oh, I got a problem with transmission, so I'm going to turn back around. And I'm going to head back because I got a warning. So I'm coming back to my vehicle right now. It's kind of slow. I think I have the setting slow. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna land on my car. I don't know if it's gonna do it. I'll just land it on the street here. And we're down. Firmware required. So we're good. Yeah, we're good. Let's go check it out. There it is. So our battery's still good. Less than 50%. So there you go. That's how that's just how I fly from within my car. I was gonna land it on the hood, but last time it started sliding down off the hood, so I didn't want to do it. And also last time I didn't have the sensors on, the detecting sensors up here and down below. So I didn't know what it was going to do with the shiny paint job. So I decided not to this time. But anyways, that's it. Just wanted to show that you can fly from inside the car. Alright, I'm going to start recording here. And I'm going to turn power off by pressing once, holding it twice. All right. And same thing for the remote. Power once, hold it for the second one. All right, guys, hope you saw something interesting in this video. That's it. Thank you for watching.